Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. In this video, I will explain how to use the TCL air conditioner remote control. This remote is also used for some models of brands like Pioneer, Senville, Klimaire, DuctlessAire, AirCon, BlueRidge, and Comfort-Aire. If you want to switch to the Fahrenheit scale or vice versa, you can do so by pressing the temperature down and temperature up button at the same time, like this, like that. To check if the AC remote is working, point it at the camera and press the on-off button. If you see an infrared light flashing on the screen, which is invisible to the human eye, it means the remote is functional. This is the on-off button, and with it we can turn the unit on and off. To change the mode of the air conditioner, we use the mode button. On this unit, it is possible to configure 5 modes with the mode button: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. Since the cooling mode is most commonly used, we will first explain how to use this mode. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake symbol appears on the screen, the unit enters cooling mode. In this mode, we adjust the temperature between 22 and 24 degrees Celsius or 72 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to save electricity, adjust the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It is not recommended to set the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit, as it could cause health problems. To change the fan speed, we use the fan button. The fan of this unit has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. When you see this movement on the screen, it means the fan has switched to automatic fan speed mode. If the noise bothers you in the bedroom, you can select the low speed. As the speed increases, the cooling power of the unit also increases. We press the mode button one more and we will see the water drops symbol on the screen. This is the dry mode and is designed to reduce humidity in the house. By pressing the mode button, we move to ventilation mode. In this mode, the unit works like a normal fan. Press the mode button again, we move to heating mode. A sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In this mode, we adjust the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius or 79 degrees Fahrenheit. In heating mode, setting the fan speed to auto fan speed mode makes the unit work more efficiently, because in this case the microprocessor will select the fan speed according to the condensation temperature. Frost or ice accumulation on the outdoor unit will only occur when the outdoor temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. To switch to auto fan speed mode, we press the fan button several times. And when we see the movement on the screen, the fan will have entered this mode. Also keep in mind that in heating mode, the unit will take between 20 and 40 minutes to reach its nominal power, depending on the ambient temperature. By pressing the mode button, we switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner will try to maintain the set temperature. For example, let's say we set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. In this case, if the room temperature falls below the setting, the AC will operate in heating mode. If it rises above, it will operate in cooling mode. Pressing the mode button one more, we return to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use the other buttons on the remote control. The unit has two swing buttons. This button moves the vertical levers from left to right, and this other one moves the horizontal levers up and down or stops them in desired position. Sometimes when it's very hot, we can use the turbo button to make the unit cool the house quickly. When activating this mode, the unit will run at maximum fan speed for 15 minutes, and once this time is up, it will return to the previous fan mode. To exit this mode, press the same button. The display button allows you to turn the unit's display light on and off. When you press the I feel button, some icon appears on the screen. In the I feel mode, the unit will measure the temperature using the sensor in the remote control. To exit this mode, you must press the same button again. By pressing the mute button, you see this symbol, and in this mode, the sound of the unit reduces to a minimum. To exit this mode, press the same button again. When you press the health button, you see this symbol on the screen. If the unit has an ionizer, it will activate it by pressing this button. To exit this mode, press the same button again. Sometimes users set the temperature to 21 to 22 degrees Celsius or to 70 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit or less when going to sleep. Sleeping in a room with that temperature can cause colds. To avoid this problem, it is recommended to press the sleep button. When you press this button, a crescent moon appears on the screen. In sleep mode, the unit will increase the temperature by 1 degree Celsius or 2 degrees Fahrenheit after 2 hours. And after a few more hours, it will increase it another 1 degree Celsius. To exit this mode, you must press the sleep button again. By pressing echo button, the unit works while saving electricity. Press the same button to exit. Every user has a favorite mode. To save this mode in memory, the I set or favorite button is used. After configuring your favorite mode, press this button and the mode will be saved in the unit's memory. For example, if someone changes the parameters after us, we will only have to press I set button to return to our configuration. Now I will explain the timer mode. This unit has two timer modes, timer on and timer off. Timer on is used to program when the unit turns on, and timer off to program when it turns off. For example, if we leave home at 8 a.m., turn off the unit, and want it to turn on 10 hours later. To do this, we press the timer button twice and use the temperature button and press timer to confirm. Our unit will turn on 10 hours later and cool the house before we arrive. To exit the timer on mode, simply press the on-off button. Or if the unit is running and we want it to turn off after 6 hours, we press the timer button once, adjust it and press timer again to confirm.